What is hands-on healing for animals, birds, fish, insects, and in fact all forms of life? Healing works for all forms of life, even plants and trees, because everything living consists of measurable energy. Our pets' bodies, like our own, have the ability to self-repair, but often this process doesn't work very well. It is becoming increasingly recognized by vets that the pet's emotional aspect plays a key role in this. The aim of hands-on healing is to kick-start the body into regulating itself and to smooth out all physical, mental, emotional, and of course spiritual disturbances. The words energy healing and energy medicine have become buzzwords of the new millennium, but there really is nothing new here. Healing works by connecting with energy fields. Hands-on healing is the oldest form of natural therapy, dating back to the dawn of history. Historical documents from numerous cultures contain references to healing. 2,000-year-old Vedic texts describe universal energy and how this can be channeled deep into the body's cells through energy centers called chakras. In Egyptian temples, the priests are known to have used laying on of hands to give healing to the sick. The Ebers Papyrus, dating from 1550 BCE, mentions healing by the laying on of hands for pain relief, something that is still frequently practiced today. The ancient Greeks also practiced healing to treat medical conditions. Pythagoras, the Greek philosopher who lived in the 6th century BCE, coined the term pneuma, meaning breath, and in a religious context for spirit, or soul, for the energy associated with healing. His followers believed that energy was composed of opposites, negative and positive. This is similar to the traditional Chinese medicine philosophy of yin and yang, the dual energy states that need to be in balance for mind, body and soul harmony. Disruption of their balance is said to adversely affect health and feeling of well-being. This balance is also vital for the health and well-being of our pets, and indeed all life forms. The Greek philosopher Hippocrates noticed that healers produced sensations of tingling and heat, which was accompanied by the relief of their patients' symptoms. He concluded that healing energy is the vital force of life, something that today's scientists continue to research. Later on throughout Europe, kings practiced healing, and throughout many cultures, the touch of the hand to comfort the sick has continued. Neither is the understanding of life force energy new. Many long-established medical philosophies share this concept for healing. Eastern medicine refers to this life force as qi or qi. Western medicine has over the years neglected the life force and failed to acknowledge its existence. An animal, just like a human, needs to be helped on all levels for general health to be truly improved or restored. Exploring healing takes us on a rich and wide learning journey. Once we start, we never stop learning about both our own and our pets' energy fields. Hands-on spiritual healing is not veterinary medicine or a substitute for veterinary medicine. It is a natural therapy that anyone can give if they so wish, as natural as a mother holding the hand of a sick child or kissing it better. For many people, their pets are family members and close friends, and the emotion invested in them is enormous. Healing is another way of being close to them and getting the best out of our relationship together.